The Paris Agreement on Climate Change aimed at reducing global warming was signed on April 22, 2016 by 175 countries. Its implementation in the West African sub-region is the focus of a three-day workshop organized by the Economic Community of West African States, Ecowas, in Nigeria's capital, Abuja. Olive Nwoke-Onokwai reports.
Africa accounts for about 4% of global greenhouse gas emissions, but the impact of climate change is felt more on Africa than other continents. This development is worrisome and has prompted the Ecowas Commission to organize a workshop aimed at helping member states better understand as well as prepare for the implementation of the Paris Agreement on climate change.
This is focusing on information sharing. And we especially drew on three organizations from the member states, the media, the civil society groups, and the private sector, from the Chamber of Commerce and the people in industry and so on. And we believe that each of these groups has a specific role, depending upon what they are doing down there in the member states. So here we want to share information on the content of the Paris Agreement.
We need to get on the ground. For instance, if there is drought, our farmers should be informed way in advance. Early warning systems, they call it. The meteorological service should be able to tell us that, look, this year we are not going to get enough rain. So let's explore the possibility of getting drought-resistant crops.
We know that climate change is one of the biggest challenges in the world. I think it's urgent to endorse the agreement. My feeling is that many countries has understood it.
The climate change deal sets out a global climate action plan to reduce global warming. It is due to enter into force in 2020. Olive Nwoke-Onokwai, TVC News, Abuja.